Welcome to this comprehensive guide on setting up Ledger Flex, a powerful accounting and financial management tool. To get started, ensure you have a basic understanding of accounting principles and Ledger Flex software. First, download and install the Ledger Flex software from the official website. Once installed, launch the application and create a new company file by selecting the New Company option. Enter your company details, including name, address, and financial year. Next, set up your chart of accounts, which is a list of all your company's accounts. Ledger Flex provides a default chart of accounts, but you can customize it according to your needs. Create new accounts by selecting the New Account option and choose the account type, such as asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense. Now, configure your financial settings, including the currency, fiscal year, and accounting method. You can also set up tax rates and payment terms. It is essential to understand the key concepts of accounting, such as debits and credits, assets and liabilities, and revenue and expenses. To enter transactions, navigate to the transaction menu and select the type of transaction you want to record, such as invoice, payment, or journal entry. Fill in the relevant details, including date, account, and amount. Ledger Flex provides a range of practical examples and templates to help you get started. Best practices for setting up Ledger Flex include regularly backing up your data, setting up user permissions, and customizing your dashboard to display key financial metrics. It is also crucial to understand the importance of data accuracy and consistency when entering transactions and updating your accounts. In conclusion, setting up Ledger Flex requires a basic understanding of accounting principles and the software itself. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your company's finances and make informed business decisions. Remember to consult the user manual and online resources for further guidance and support. With Ledger Flex, you can streamline your accounting processes, improve efficiency, and drive business growth.